Okay, guys, I just wanted to make sure that you knew without a shadow of a doubt that 2019 I wasn't going to get anything near normal. So I decided that I was going to put some snakes out, have a good time, and make sure you guys are having a good time. Thank you so much for all the amazing follows. I can't even understand how you guys are blowing up. Whoa! Man, these guys are giving me a hug for 2019. Would that freak you out? If it would, tag 10 friends. Anyway, we're living the dream here, and I'm getting ready to put all these guys away, but I had to make a video for all you crazy people that are out there following me on Instagram. Anyway, it's Team Living the Dream. In this case, this is my team. Come down to the Reptile Zoo and check us out. Don't forget to tag a lot of friends and tell me, comment what you would do if you were sitting there and that just happened. Anyway, peace out, guys.